What's up guys, you're watching the Situ, and if you're new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is NW-102216-2, and error occurred while connecting to the PSN account. It's a simply network error, and I'm just going to share my screen on the left side, and here we are at the screen. Look at that. Simply here we go to the settings. Here we are at the settings, and go to the username account. You must check your PSN account is logged in or not. If the PSN account is not logged in, you must simply just logged in and check the login settings. Also, sometimes your console is not logged in, and then you just go to the network, and here is the logged in settings. Automatically check it and then go to the network, view PlayStation network services. Sometimes the server is down, so you're working on the updates. That's why its server is not working. If the server is working up and good, then you have a local internet problem. If the server is not working, then you just wait. Sony will fix this up automatically. After that, it will be work properly. And then you set up a new connection if the server is working up. And I'm just going to suggest you use a wired LAN cable. It will be better than the Wi-Fi, and you can change the DNS settings in the wired LAN and the Wi-Fi also. You just search it which one is working good in your country, just put it back there. A DNS setting, simply primary and a secondary DNS, you can change it and set up a new connection. So that's how that simply you can do it, a network connection error, and fix this. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.